The difficult part in the immigration setting is that they've signed an auto deportation. Let's get back to the logistics of that. What are the chances that they even get to an attorney at that point? Because you sign an auto deportation, the logistics are being set in place for your return, your immediate return to the country of your origin. So that's a scary draconian fact that you've laid out. That um, it can be challenged, and this is another revelation that is disturbing is the suspension of habeas corpus. Habeas corpus is a petition that people are entitled to pursuant to the Constitution and the laws of the United States, and when there's an unlawful restraint on your liberty. So your liberty is restrained when you're detained in any capacity, whether you're detained by immigration, whether you're detained in criminal detention, and you've not been allowed due process in order to at least put forth a case that you're entitled to regain your freedom and regain your liberty and be outside of detention. The logistics behind what you're saying, considering that if someone signed their auto deportation and, hopefully they're able to explain that if they were coerced or forced to, and hopefully someone is able to explain that to a loved one by phone or some other means,
Yes.
in a communication setting, that loved one would then have to go to an attorney and say, we need to file this petition for habeas corpus because they were coerced into signing a document. They asked for an attorney. They wanted to speak to an attorney, and they were just forced to sign this document. And
Yes.
then the setting for that argument and subpoenaing the officers and finding out what happened, as I was describing before, would be in federal court.